students. I am Lakshmi Mari. I am taking 5th standard science subject. Today's our sixth topic is keeping our environment clean. In previous class you have learned about the environment, environmental pollution and what is meant by pollution, what is meant by pollutant. Now in this class you are going to learn types of wastes. Anything that was once useful to us but later discarded after use is termed as waste. Waste is produced from almost all activities of human beings. In the earlier days, people derived many things from nature. When such things were disposed after use, they again became a part of nature, causing little or no pollution. But with the advancement of technology and industrialization, artificial things such as plastics and chemicals replaced many of the natural commodities. When such things are disposed of as waste, they cause pollution and have harmful effects on nature. Many things useful to us. Once useful to us but later discarded after use. In this process is called a waste. It is term is called a waste. Waste is produced from almost all activities of human beings. For example, clinical waste, organic waste, industrial waste, etc. When these things are disposed of as waste, they cause pollution and have harmful effects on nature. So, here are two types of waste, biodegradable waste and non biodegradable waste. Biodegradable waste, things made out of wood and clay, paper and cloth, plates made out of leaves and vegetable peels are things derived from nature. When such items are discarded as waste, they break down naturally and become a part of the soil. Such things are said to be biodegradable. Biodegradable wastes do not harm the environment. However, such wastes should also be disposed of properly. There are different ways by which biodegradable waste should be disposed of. Biodegradable means such items are discarded as wastes. They break down naturally and become a part of the soil. Composting. Composting is a method of recycling biodegradable matter consisting of plant and animal waste. Waste such as weeds, grass, fruit and vegetable peels, leaves, and animal dung can be easily broken down by natural processes to produce compost or manure. In composting, a deep pit is dug in the ground, a layer of biodegradable waste is laid at the bottom of the pit, which is then covered with a layer of soil and watered. This process of layering is repeated until the pit is completely filled. The pit is left undisturbed for a few months. During this time, the microorganisms present in the soil feed on the organic waste and convert it into compost. Composting means a method of recycling biodegradable matter to produce compost or manure. And composting process is: first, organic waste; next, waste buried in a deep pit; next step, waste covered with soil and watered; next, water left undisturbed and microorganisms decompose waste. During that time, microorganisms present in the soil. Microorganism means microbes are tiny living things, and these microorganisms you can see in the microscope. Compost is rich in plants nutrients, as breaking down of organic waste releases all the nutrients contained in it. It can therefore be used as manure to improve the fertility of soil. It is a better alternative in comparison in chemical fertilizers, which can damage the quality of soil when used for a longer period. Biodegradable means biodegradable materials can be decomposed by microorganisms such as bacteria, enzymes, and fungi. Compost means using the natural process of decay to change organic waste into a valuable human like material called a compost. Leaves, food scraps, grass clipping, kitchen scraps, garden trimming, etc. So, students, now it's time to take the homework. Write a short note on biodegradable and examples in your science homework book and send on the WhatsApp. Thank you.